Hi, today I'm going to show you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. So first we need to select all data where we want to find duplicates. Now we need to go to Format tab and we need to open here conditional formatting. Then on the single color settings, we need to change format cells from is not empty to custom formula. Now I need to type here equal sign, count if, I need to open the bracket, I need to type A, then I need to insert colon and type A because we need to get the data from all A column. Now I insert comma, I type here A1 because I want to check data from the first column. I close the bracket and I type here greater than 1. It will let me to display the cells when the person displayed multiple times. Of course we can change the color of these rows, we can do it here. So for example I select here blue and I click down button. How you see duplicated rows have been successfully displayed here. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.